Over the weekend, I made the mistake of hiking in my favorite tennis shoes, and they were once white, but now let's look at the damage. They're not looking too white. They're really gross. It makes me so sad to see them. So I already tried doing a magic eraser on the soles, and as you can see, it helped. The soles are pretty white, but in this part, but the like mesh material, it's not doing too good. Okay, laces are out. I'm gonna take them and wipe them first with a dry paper towel and just get off any like loose dirt, and then I'll probably rinse them. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness gracious. Can we get it back to that? We'll see. Now I'm taking an old pillowcase and I'm gonna put the shoes inside here, tie it up, and then put them in the wash. Here's an update on the shoes. They're all dry now. Pretty good. They turned out better than anticipated. There's still a few places that probably could use maybe like spray or something, but definitely a lot better than they were. Not good as new, and this part has a little ridge, but otherwise pretty good.